The E1 error code in Carrier Estrella series HVAC units indicates a low voltage or electrical fault. It's a safety mechanism triggered when the unit detects input voltage below a specific threshold, around 187 volts for 208-volt models. This error prevents damage to components like compressors and fans. Several factors can trigger the E1 error. The first is power supply issues, such as unstable grid voltage or faulty transformers. The second cause is wiring faults, like damaged cables leading to voltage drops or corrosion. The third cause is component failures, such as blown fuses or capacitor degradation. The fourth cause is environmental factors, including lightning strikes or high electrical noise. Understanding these causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. First, verify the power supply at the unit using a multimeter to ensure it's within the specified range of 208 to 230 volts. Second, reset the error by holding the reset button on the control board for about 5 seconds. Third, inspect the wiring for any signs of damage or loose connections. Fourth, if the error persists, consider replacing the main control board. Always disconnect power before any inspection to avoid electrical shock. Carrier has addressed E1 errors through firmware updates. The January 2026 firmware version 2.4.1 for Estrella series units includes improved voltage monitoring to prevent false triggers. The Carrier Infinity Control app now offers remote diagnostics, allowing users to reset E1 errors wirelessly in many cases. Keeping your unit's firmware up to date is essential for optimal performance and error prevention. Let's examine real-world examples of E1 errors in Carrier Estrella series units. In a New York office building in 2025, an Estrella 50HC unit experienced an E1 error caused by corroded wiring due to urban pollution. Technicians resolved the issue by replacing the damaged wiring and installing a voltage surge protector, preventing future occurrences and saving $2,000 in downtime costs. In a California hospital in 2024, integrating solar panels led to E1 errors in multiple Estrella units due to inverter instability. Engineers installed custom voltage regulators, fixing the problem within 48 hours and improving overall unit efficiency by 15%. These examples demonstrate the value of proactive maintenance and addressing root causes, like electrical infrastructure problems, to avoid costly E1 errors. Let's examine expert opinions and statistics on the Carrier Estrella series E1 error. HVAC engineer Dr. Alina Ramirez emphasizes that E1 is often a symptom of broader electrical issues and recommends proactive voltage monitoring. Technician forums indicate that most E1 fixes are DIY level, but professional help is needed for board replacements. Carrier's chief engineer notes that firmware updates have significantly reduced E1-related service calls. Statistics show E1 is a common error, but claims have dropped significantly post-2025 recall. The trend in E1 fixes is shifting towards predictive maintenance and IoT integration. Many Estrella series units now include optional IoT modules that monitor voltage in real time via Carrier's cloud platform, reducing error occurrences. This enables predictive maintenance that minimizes downtime and extends the lifespan of HVAC units. Renewable energy sources can cause voltage fluctuations, so fixes now incorporate voltage stabilizers. Looking ahead, Carrier plans to integrate generative AI for automated fix recommendations, potentially cutting repair times. Sustainability trends emphasize energy-efficient repairs. However, challenges include cybersecurity risks in smart fixes, prompting Carrier to add encryption in firmware updates. Staying informed about these advancements will help you maintain your Carrier Estrella series units effectively and efficiently.